So now we're going to learn how to change a percent to a decimal. So to change a percent to a decimal, you need to divide the number by 100. For example, if we want to convert 25% to a decimal, in your calculator just enter 25 divided by 100 equals, and the answer is 0.25 or 0.25. That means that 25% is equal to 0.25. Now there's a shortcut if you don't want to use your calculator. The shortcut to change a percent to a decimal is to drop the percent sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Remember, there's a decimal point to the right of any whole number. Let's do some examples. We want to convert 75% to a decimal. So we're going to divide by 100 and drop the percent sign, and that gives us an answer of 0.75 or 0.75. Let's convert 50% to a decimal. Enter 50 into your calculator, divide by 100, and you get 0.5 or 0.5. You could also just move your decimal 2 places to the left. And let's do one more. 100% is the same as what decimal? Move the decimal point 2 places to the left, and we get an answer of 1. Now we're going to change a decimal to a percent. For example, let's say we were wondering what percentage is 0.75. Well, we'll find out that that is 75%, but how do we do that? So what you do is you would take the 0.75 and multiply by 100 and attach a percent symbol. Or if you like shortcuts, like most people do, simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right and attach a percent symbol. Let's do some examples. We want to convert 0.4 to a percent. So you can multiply by 100 and attach a percent sign, and that gives you 40%. Or you could have just moved the decimal point 2 places to the right and attach a percent symbol. And then finally, occasionally you get some bizarre stuff like this. Somebody wrote the number as 0.01 and a quarter. Well, we've got a decimal and a fraction, so we have to convert the fraction to a decimal. So if you take 1 divided by 4, you get 0.25. So 0.01 and a quarter is the same as 0.0125. So we need to convert 0.0125 to a percent. So the way we do that, multiply it by 100 and attach a percent sign, and you get an answer of 1.25%.